I'm Daniel Huerta. I go by Danny. I'm a salesman here at Eagle Fence in Gurnee. I started with Eagle in 2010. Moses, my father, and brought me in, and we started just me, him, and Teresa, and I believe a driver. When I was in high school and stuff like that, my dad, Moses, worked at Merchants Metals, and I would work there in the summers with just the parts, not inside sales or nothing like that, just learning the material, the physical material. And then after high school, I did a year of college, and my dad decided that he was gonna start working with Eagle, and he said, you know, I needed some help. Were you interested? And jumped on board. Out and about, and we see products that we've sold. It's satisfying to know that, you know, we did a good job of getting the material to the customer, and, you know, the installation and all that. Domestic manufacturing is definitely important for us to, you know, keep our jobs, keep the economy going. We deal with some import as well, but it's just so much easier working with domestic companies. With the local suppliers, I mean, they're just easier to get a hold of. The material's usually quicker to come in, and we just know it's a better quality product. Keeping jobs here in the U.S. is very important to us. With jobs being here, there's going to be, you know, more opportunities for people to work, keep the flow going, you know. Yeah.